Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Is the Sony A7V on the verge of redefining what we expect from a full-frame mirrorless camera? For months now, the photography and videography world has been filled with speculation, and the excitement around this model just won't fade away. What's clear is that this is not expected to be just another minor upgrade. It might represent a leap that reimagines Sony's entire A7 lineup. From the groundbreaking introduction of the A7 III to the refinements we saw with the A7V, every generation has brought something unique, and now the A7V is rumored to be the one that sets a new standard. So, here's the burning question for creators and professionals alike. Should you wait for the A7V to arrive, or stick with proven models like the A7V? In today's deep dive, let's break down the expected pricing, rumored specifications, build quality enhancements, and competitive landscape to see whether the Sony A7V could really become the hybrid mirrorless king, or if it's just another case of hype outpacing reality. Price. Innovation comes at a cost. Let's face it, pricing is always the first hurdle when a new flagship camera arrives. According to early industry whispers, the Sony A7V could debut at around $2,799 in USD. That's noticeably higher than the launch price of the A7IV, $2,499, and significantly more than the iconic A7 III, which entered the market at $1,999. For buyers in Europe, the expected price could hover around $3,400, while in Canada, nearly $4,000 CAD may be the entry point. That's a serious investment for photographers, filmmakers, or content creators looking to upgrade. But the important question is this: does the camera justify that price tag? Sony has never been shy about charging a premium for its Alpha series, and if the A7V truly blends professional-grade features with usability for enthusiasts, that premium may feel earned. Rumored specs. Power meets precision. Here's where things get really exciting. The Sony A7V is expected to carry a 44-megapixel BSI sensor, not stacked but powerful enough to deliver excellent performance. This places it directly between the 33 resolution of the A7IV and the ultra-high-resolution A7R series, making it a versatile middle ground for creators who need both detail and flexibility. Coupled with the Bion Z XR processor and a dedicated AI processing chip, autofocus performance could take a giant leap forward. Smarter real-time tracking, better recognition of subjects, and lightning-fast responsiveness may redefine how hybrid shooters capture action. Highlights from the most credible leaks include 220 FPS, continuous burst shooting for action and sports, raw video output, boosting its appeal for filmmakers. Enhanced low-light performance thanks to the BSI sensor design. If these features become reality, the A7V might not only rival other brands, but also threaten Sony's own higher-tier cameras. Build quality and thermals. Tackling old frustrations. One issue that Sony users have faced for years is overheating, particularly in extended video shoots. Reports suggest that the A7V may adopt a body design closer to the flagship A1 series, with more robust construction and significantly better heat dissipation. Key improvements could include higher resolution EVF for clearer, sharper viewing, fully articulating LCD screen suitable for hybrid shooting and vlogging, refined ergonomics and button layout for easier handling in the field, dual card slots, CF Express Type A plus SD for maximum workflow flexibility. Up to 8-stop. In-body image stabilization, IBIS, for ultra-smooth handheld work. If Sony delivers on these areas, the A7V could be one of the most reliable hybrid cameras for run-and-gun videographers, documentary shooters, and travel creators. The competition. A heated market. Sony won't be alone in this battle. The mirrorless world in 2025 is crowded with serious challengers. Nikon Z6 III, offering excellent performance for its price. Canon EOS R6 Mark II, favored for its filmmaking prowess and color accuracy. Panasonic S5X, popular among video creators for its professional features. Sony's challenge is tricky. If the A7V over-delivers, it risks cannibalizing the Alpha 1 or A7R series. If it underdelivers, creators may feel let down and explore alternatives from rival brands. Another small but persistent frustration is Sony's refusal to include a top LCD panel, which both Nikon and Canon provide. While some dismiss it as unnecessary, others insist it improves workflow efficiency. A true hybrid workhorse? Where Sony consistently shines is in building hybrid systems that appeal to both photographers and filmmakers. The A7V seems poised to continue that tradition. Imagine capturing fast action bursts at a sporting event, then switching seamlessly to recording a cinematic short film in 4K RAW without changing cameras. Add in CFX press support, improved thermal management, and AI-powered autofocus, and this device could be the ultimate choice for YouTubers, vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and photographers who demand versatility. Wait or buy now. This is the big decision. Should you delay your projects for a camera that may not officially launch until late 2025 or even 2026? Cameras are tools, not trophies, and the best one is always the one you already have in your hands. If you need a strong hybrid camera today, the Sony A7 IV or A7C II remain incredible options capable of producing professional-grade results. But if you're heavily invested in Sony's ecosystem and want a camera that balances pro-level features without the extreme price of the A1, the A7V may be worth waiting for. Final thoughts? The next mirrorless king? The Sony A7V has the potential to be a game changer. With a rumored 44 megapixel sensor, powerful AI-driven autofocus, 20 FPS burst speeds, 4K RAW capabilities, and much improved handling, it could become one of the most balanced hybrid cameras on the market. If Sony nails its execution, this model may very well redefine what a full-frame mirrorless camera can be. But until Sony officially lifts the curtain, all we have are leaks, speculation, and excitement. Should you wait? That depends on your immediate needs. If future-proof technology excites you, patience might pay off. But if you're ready to create right now, the tools you need already exist. Thanks for tuning in to Technology in the Future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the upcoming Sony A7 V, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more breakdowns, leaks, and updates on the latest camera technology shaping the future.